Hi people, this is Corinne and I'm with my Maki here. My Maki and my Alki here. So it's morning here on my end, but it feels like it's evening. And later guys I need to work since my rest day is over. So for today's video I just wanted to share my perspective and my experience as well. It is connected to being independent. As you all know that I've been living alone for almost 9 years. 9 years already or more, so almost 10 years, right? And within those years, guys, I've been developed, or I have developed a lot of personalities, attitudes that I can really tell that are good and bad. Okay, so let's focus with this like new personality that I have discovered, that I've developed over time. Okay, so this kind of personality, guys, it is like really a self-reliant, a self res- I mean, a survivor, being a survivor on your own, even even you're dealing with a very hardship, with a very hard, bad challenges, bad problems, very hard problems that you can't, or that is very impossible for you to survive. You always choose not to ask help from other people because for some reason, guys, it is not you uh being scared of asking help. It is you being having so much pride, so much ego that you don't want other people know that you're struggling. You don't want other people know that you're dealing with hardship financially, emotionally, mentally. Okay, so you want to you want to let people know, you want to let people always think that you're strong, that you're financially stable, that you're mentally stable, and that you're there progressing in your own lives on your own. Okay. So that's so far that's what I have been realizing that I develop over time. That's kind of personality that I have developed, and I can really tell you guys that it's really hard. Okay, it's really hard, and it's really self-reliant as well. For some people, they might call it as an ego. It's so much pride, but for me, it's my dignity. Like I can really tell you guys that if I ask help from other people, it means that I am lowering down my dignity. I am letting other people belittle me, or other people take down my dignity. And I cannot really explain it why, but yeah, that's how I can explain it. That um as much as possible, like even I don't have the resources at all, even I have zero resources for my survival. Okay, I will always choose not to ask help from other people, be it a family, be it a coworker, or in a relationship. Okay, and I think that's really bad. And if anyone could hear or could watch this video, you could really say that it is a very bad personality. Okay, but you can't you can't blame me at all. Okay, you can't blame me at all. I've tried before within my family, but I have learned, and I have received other responses which I don't like, and with that responses from them I have decided not to do it moving forward. Okay, as much as possible, I will gonna have it on my own self. I will gonna fix everything on my own, and I can really call it a self-reliant, being matured, being an adult, because that's what we really are. Like over time, as our age increases, that's what we're facing too, right? Like our situation will be different. If you were living alone, it's expected that you need to fix things on your own. If you're living with a family, with your husband, with your kids, it's expected that you're gonna have problems that need to be fixed by that family. Okay. But right now, guys, we're living alone. wait, no one here. There's no one here aside from my Mackie and Alki here, and aside from myself. So I really believe that it is so right to feel that. It is so right to feel, to have pride, or to not ask help from other people, even if it's a family, like a direct family, your sister or brother, because it is not your own family. When we say your own family, it consists with your husband, your wife, or your kids. That's your own family, right? So yeah, we're adults already, and we have our own responsibility, and it's expected that if you live alone, yourself is your responsibility. So that's, so far that's what I have been realizing, and that's my explanation. Okay, so everyone will gonna call it a pride, or we're gonna call it an ego, which I really agree, because over time, if you're used to fixing things on your own, you're gonna develop that kind of ego, that kind of personality or pride that, yeah, I don't need help from other people. I can fix things. I can survive without the help of other people, which is like that praise that you always think, and that I always think too. Like even I deal with hardship. I deal with crisis. Okay. So I wanted your opinion about this. Like I'm sure like 10% of people living alone in this world develop that kind of personality, and that is very scary, guys. That is very scary, because people like us, even we don't have anything to eat, even we don't have any resources at all, we will gonna choose not to ask help from other people, even that cost our life. Okay, we will not gonna ask help other people. I don't know what's the real reason towards it, but for me, as what I've mentioned earlier, it's because of the experiences. Because being used to fixing things on my own, which for me is really a good thing, because that's what we call as self-reliant. When you're self-reliant, guys, you don't need other people, okay? And you're gonna be so much powerful. Okay, so there's nothing in this world that will gonna make you feel scared at all. There's nothing here in this world that will make you feel worried at all, or that will make you feel scared, because you're powerful on your own, and you don't need anyone. You don't need anyone to fix you. You don't need anyone to help you. You don't need anyone to survive. So that's all for today, guys. And yeah, so much for that. I just wanted to let you know that thank you so much for listening here. I know that some of you are really like looking forward to this video, and I hope that you're gonna learn through this video. So bye.